In this video I'm just going to show you how to create, well, this image here and turn it into a star. Now, this whole tutorial requires Phantasm. It's a plugin from Astute Graphics. It's for Illustrator CC, CS6, etc. You can find the trial version on the website for their website. Okay, so I've got an image here. First thing you need to do is select a star. So I'm just going to create a star there, just a basic standard path. And what I want to do is I'm actually going to turn that into a symbol. So just basically drag it over into the symbol palette. See the symbols over there. If you can't see that, window symbols. And now just select the design of it. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to select that as well, the text, graphic extras text, because I wanted to show you can also use text in this as well. So click OK. So now that's been saved there as well. Okay, go over here, Effect, Phantasm, and there's quite a few other effects as well. There are exposure, all the sort of things that you'd find in like Photoshop. They're all within Illustrator using this plugin set. Okay, halftone, select that, and the default is actually pretty intense, so it does take a few seconds to appear. So there you go, it's appeared, and you can see this quite comprehensive dialogue. It's got various settings, so you can set it to RGB. But before I do any more, actually what I should do, I'm just going to, because it takes a few seconds to process this, I'm going to set the DPI, so it's just a bit less than 18, which is a bit intense. So just going to select that. It lets me select that. Just whirring around for a bit. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it to 4, which is a much better setting. So 4, it will be a bit quicker. So right, so now you can actually see the default is actually little dots, which is quite nice, circles I should say. So square, you can set that to square. And the key one here, there's character as well, but selected symbol. So I'm actually going to quickly show you selected symbol. And now you can actually see it's actually created all that with text. So all that is the www.graphicextras.com. So you can actually obviously make it a bit bigger than that, so you can actually say change the scale. So you can actually go for say 500. So the text is a bit more visible. So you can actually see graphics there. You modify these obviously up here as well. Selected symbol, you can colorize it as well. Change the angle, modify the dot grain as well. Gain. We say dot grain, dot gain. Okay, click OK. Now, obviously I want the star. I don't want text. So I can change that. Just go and select that symbol, just over there, and go back on the Phantasm halftone. Just click it in the appearance palette. Appearance palette's in the window there. So now, selected symbol, and you can see stars. And you can modify it in numerous other ways. You can actually say colorize, sampled, and you can create interesting star designs just there. And of course you can modify the dot gain to darken and lighten certain areas, and you can modify the size. You don't have to go with that, you could just go with 100 and got all these stars there. There you are, instantaneously, image, person's photo turned into a wonderful star design. Very quick and easy, and you can click OK at this point. And now it's basically it's a vector design, so you can actually just go over here, object, expand appearance, and you can now ungroup. So you can now actually just drag and modify any of those individual stars. If you wish, you could resize obviously as well.